What's up, guys? Miguel here, aka Torrent, coming back to you with another episode of Why Am I So Excited About a Cable? But trust me, this one's gonna be different. Today we're unboxing the AOHI Future Adonis USB 4.2 cable. Yeah, that name sounds like a Final Fantasy character, but this thing is stacked. It's got 240 watts of charging power, 120 gigabits of data speed, 8K video output. Basically, it's not a cable, it's a lifestyle. Now, I asked AOHI if they'd send me this thing to test out, and they did. Full transparency. This was sent to me free of charge, but spoiler alert, I would have paid for it anyway. So let's crack this open. First off, look at this packaging. It's clean, it's matted black. It's the kind of box you don't throw away because you feel like you might use it again, even though you won't. Sliding it open feels like opening a vault for tech treasure. And boom, look at this travel case. It's not a sleeve, it's not a Ziploc bag, it's an actual molded, branded future case that you're about to deploy a spy agent. I feel cooler already about this. Inside the case, it's pure yellow goodness. The silicone coated cable is thick, smooth, and kinda sexy. If cables could model for GQ, this would be on the cover. It's super sexy, coils without tangling, and it has texture that makes it feel indestructible. Like I could probably lasso my monitor and this would still charge my MacBook afterwards. Now, this isn't your $5 Amazon basic cable. This is a USB 4.2, which means it's not just future-proof, it's borderline time-proof. Thunderbolt 5 compatible too. So it's ready for devices that you haven't even bought yet. The data speeds, 120 gigabits per second. That's transfer your entire video project folder before you even blink speed. It's like upgrading your workflow from 2009 to 2099. And the power delivery, 240 watts. That's not charge your phone while you sleep power. That's charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro in under 30 minutes power. It's a run a docking station monitor and still keep going power. And yep, video output is there too. We're talking full DisplayPort 2.1, support for 8K resolution, multiple 6K displays if you're feeling wild. So yeah, it's not just for charging your Steam Deck, champ. And let's talk about the brains, because this cable's got them. AOHI stuck a Smart E marker chip inside of it that negotiates the proper wattage and data rate every time you plug it in. No guessing, no undercharging, just max performance. Internally, it's built with a 16-core coaxial wiring. I mean, that's tech speak for holy crap, this thing is freaking fast. And it's heat resistant. It's like the fiber optic Ferrari of USB-C. I mean, look at the ends. It's gunmetal finish, smooth connector grips. I mean, AOHI branding on one side, Future on the other. It looks expensive, it feels expensive, but isn't as crazy price as you would expect. It's 3.3 feet long, which is ideal for a clean desk setup or travel pouch. Not too short, not spaghetti level long. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. Throw this in my bag and feel like it's a boss type of size. Listen, honestly, this cable is totally overkill, but in totally best way possible. It does more than what most people need. And that's kind of the point. If you're going high-end gear, you should have a cable that doesn't suck. And the yellow color, I absolutely love it. You won't lose it in your bag. It's not going to blend in with all the black cables and disappear into the void. This thing demands attention. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Whether you're a tech nerd, a content creator, or someone who just wants one cable to rule them all, this is that cable. So AOHI, you totally crushed it with this cable. The link is in the description if you want to snag one, or don't, but just so you know, your other cables are crying right now. Anyway, my name is Miguel. Thank you for watching. And remember, if you're going to plug something in, make it look this good while doing it.